So now we're going to just talk through some of the technical details of the machine. Just starting with the back. On the back we have the Chapter 8 chevrons, supported with the rear impact device system to protect the operator. And coming forward from there, we have the control panel, which is where we set all the skip lines. We also control the light bars, working lights, etc. Coming down onto the side of the machine, we have the gun system, which is an external mixing system, the main MMA gun in the middle there, supported by the liquid peroxide spray gun before it, with the glass bead dispensing gun behind it. Under the bonnet we have an 18 horsepower Kubota engine, Euro 6. Then we have the diesel tank, minimum of 100 litre capacity there for more than a full shift. 250 litre MMA tank with an MMA agitator on top, which means that you're always keeping the MMAs fresh. That is supported by a Graco 18 litres a minute hydraulic pump. We're operating at 150 bar. Over on the other side there we have a 150 litre glass bead tank, again sufficient for a full shift. Coming forward we have a 20 litre MMA, liquid MMA tank, liquid peroxide tank. Liquid peroxide is extremely unstable, very difficult to handle, so it needed a specialist pump system which has got a full recirc system on it. Coming down on the front there we have a recirculation pump which operates all the time. Then we have a flow meter down the bottom with a full management system over on the other side. The management system, as soon as you go to spray, will then stop the recirculation and ensure the peroxide is coming straight out. Coming onto the front, we have a direct drive powered oversteering system. May look fairly simple, but there's a significant amount of work and research has gone into that steering system to ensure that we can deliver the most accurate road markings with this size machine. Supported by a very heavy duty chassis, deliberately designed to ensure we keep rigidity on the machine in the most challenging circumstances. Coming out the front, then we have the pointer, long range pointer, which is connected to the steering to give you corner steering. And then that is supported for nighttime work with a laser system on the side, which reduces the need for spot marking, again improving productivity out on the work site.